We have the credit card.
Hey, you want a new bike? If you ride from here all the way to the basketball court, I'll buy you a new bike today. You hear me?
Do you want a new bike? Then you need to ride your bike over there to the basketball court. Go!
Wait, she needs water first. That's what she said.
Angelina's already over there.
Ready, set, go!
Go! Go! Hurry, because Angelina's over there already. You have to go and be with your sister. Go, mamas! Go, mamas!
Yes, you can.
You totally can. You're doing good. It's so low, yeah.
You know, Mama, I'll hold it for you. Ready? Set, go! I'll buy you a big bike.
Angelina's waiting for you. Can you get on your bike and go?
Over there.
Can't even see her.
I don't know how to stop.
Go, Sophia, fast.
Sorry, you gotta go over there because there's sand over there. See the sand?
Sophia, you're disappointing. Get on your bike. See, I told you you couldn't ride it. Remember earlier I was telling you you were a liar? I was right. Oh, she's better at running. Yeah.